Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S5 and Nissan GTR. We'll explore what makes each of these performance machines unique, helping you decide which one best fits your driving desires. The Audi S5 blends luxury with sporty performance, making it a great daily driver. In contrast, the Nissan GTR, often called Godzilla, is a purebred supercar focused on blistering speed and track prowess. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, these cars offer very different experiences. The Audi S5 typically comes with a turbocharged V6 engine, delivering around 350 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds. The GTR, however, is a beast, with its twin-turbo V6 engine producing 565 horsepower in its standard form. It can hit 60 miles per hour in a stunning 2.9 seconds, showcasing its supercar pedigree. Moving inside, the Audi S5 provides a refined and luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials and advanced infotainment systems. It comfortably seats 4 adults, especially in the Sportback variant, and offers practical cargo space of around 17 cubic feet. The Nissan GTR's interior is more performance-oriented, with a sporty design and essential tech. While it has 4 seats, the rear ones are quite cramped, best suited for small children or extra storage. Its trunk offers about 9 cubic feet of space. Considering value, the Audi S5 generally starts around $60,000, providing a compelling package of luxury, technology, and strong performance for everyday use. The Nissan GTR, with its supercar capabilities, typically starts at about $120,000, with higher performance versions costing significantly more. If you seek a sophisticated, comfortable, and fast daily driver, the S5 is an excellent choice. But if raw speed, aggressive styling, and track dominance are what you crave, the GTR is your undisputed champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.